Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to talk about some goodies that I received from bornprettystore.com. You guys know me, I've been a big fan and customer of Born Pretty Store for years. I think it's like 6 or 7 years already, but they were kind enough to send me out some really cool Christmassy items and I can't wait to actually share my thoughts with you about it. But also I wanted to try some of these moon stickers, like nail stickers. They aren't like water decals, but I was really curious about those as well. I am not going to use those in this video particularly because I really want to focus on the stamping plates and the stamping polishes and just talk about those, but I'm definitely going to use those stickers in an upcoming like nail design video. I'm not quite sure if it's going to be this month, but I think it will be more towards somewhere in December because my planning for videos is so full at the moment. I really have to make some big decisions on what I'm going to post first. But I really want to talk to you about this Nicole Diary set. It is a set of 4 stamping polishes as well as 2 bigger plates, and it's so Christmassy, so festive. I love it already. I was really excited to try it out. Usually it's around $18, but it's on sale at the moment for $7.99. And of course, you guys, I have a 20% discount for you. So if you want to use it, check it out. It is FEM20 and you can just put it somewhere once you're checking out your cart with all of the stuff you want to purchase. But as always, I'm just going to leave it in the pinned comment down below as well as in the description box. So yeah, I was really excited to try this out. I just love those snowflakes. The plates are so Christmassy and I just love this time of year. It's always so festive and cozy and I just really love it. And if you are curious to see how all of these stamp on top of paper and my natural nails, please keep on watching. So as usual, I'm just going to stamp some of the images on top of like my little booklet that I have preserved for stamping. And here I was just setting up my little like setup with some kitchen paper as well, just to make sure I didn't get any polish on my table. And as usual, this is the first plate. This one is L13. It is from Nicole Diary, which is a sub-brand that Born Pretty Store actually sells. So that is why I'm also showing that brand here in this particular video. You can get it at Born Pretty Store, but it is like a separate brand on its own, if you know what I mean. But Born Pretty Store actually has really good prices and some other really cool brands in their collection as well that they also sell next to their own like massive Born Pretty collection. Yeah, as I said before, I'm a big fan. I've been a customer for years. I always love their stamping polishes, their stamping plates, their glitters, their gems, like everything they sell. You can easily use, whether you're a beginner in nail art or you're a professional or maybe someone who does it for fun just like I do, but also works on other people like I do. You can like use so many of their items and they're really versatile and really affordable as well. So yeah, that's a big plus in my opinion. But here I'm just trying out all of these stamping polishes and I'm going to try out the white stamping polish on my own natural nails because I had a regular nail polish on my left hand, just a really random one, and the white of course doesn't show up on the white paper on which I am stamping the other colors. But here I'm just trying out a couple of the designs from the first plate. I really love them. I love that sweater design. It's just so cute and it just screams winter in my opinion. Of course, if you don't celebrate Christmas or you celebrate another kind of holiday this time of year, please don't be offended or anything like that. I'm just big on Christmas because that's like the holiday we celebrate here, or at least I do with my family. Of course, if you have any stamping plates for like Hanukkah or any other holiday you might celebrate this time of year, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm always really curious to hear about that and to actually get to know more about other holidays and religions and all that stuff. So yeah, please let me know if you know any cool like nail art related items that are focusing on other holidays. I'm really curious about that, and I think some of my subscribers will be really into that as well. So if you have anything, please share in the comments down below. It's really appreciated. But yeah, let's continue with all of the stamps. Of course, there also are some designs on this bigger plate that aren't super Christmassy. but still really festive and just wintry, such as just the snow or the snowy trees or just snowflakes and all that jazz. So yeah, if you're not celebrating Christmas, there's still a lot of stuff on here that you can just use during this winter season and just make cute nails with as well. But I do have to mention, I love the black stamping polish. I also really love the red. The green, I wasn't disappointed in either. Usually green stamping polishes can be a little bit sheer or just a little bit light and don't really come across that well, but this green color stamped pretty nicely in my opinion, and that's also the reason why I stamped it on top of white paper. On top of white paper you can see anything. You can see anything and everything, and also like the biggest flaws or just the tiniest little imperfections that a stamping plate or a polish can have. So yeah, I was really impressed how well it transferred. And also because I used the green on a really intricate design on that plate, I was really impressed with how it turned up. So yeah, kudos for Nicole Diary. I really love their stamping polishes already. So this next plate is the 120 and it is full, it is packed with snowflakes. I personally love snowflake designs. Like, I don't know what's up with you guys, but I'm just a big sucker for the most pretty, delicate snowflake designs ever, and I was looking for a plate like that for years. I only have one like really small plate I bought from Born Pretty store like 5 or 6 years ago, and I don't know if it is still available or even made. I'm not sure. It was like I don't know, it was just packed with snowflakes as well, but this plate is way prettier, like way bigger as well. You have so much more snowflakes to choose from. You can just combine or just apply one. I think it's really cute because you have like your separate snowflakes but also the combined ones, and also the really cool designs which I just applied one of on top of my natural nails. You can just go down the middle or put that on a side of the nail. I just really like it. And again, the white stamping polish is really nice. Here I'm just going to apply the black stamping polish to a ton of the snowflakes and just look at how pigmented that color is. Like, wow. I really love it. Of course, you can always use stamping polishes as regular nail polishes as well. So if you are looking for a very opaque red, green, black or white polish, you could also just use stamping polishes. The only thing is, always make sure to use a good amount of base coat, because these polishes are so highly pigmented, there is a big chance that they will stain your nails. And just to prevent your nails from getting maybe even more stained, like mine are always a little stained. That's just the deal when you always wear nail polishes and are always trying out new stuff. Your nails will get stained, but that's okay because we're always covering them up with beautiful nail polishes anyway. But just to prevent any like staining or anything like that, always use a good base coat to protect your nails and also to prolongate your wear time from your manicure. That's also really neat. But yeah, this plate, the 120, I'm really impressed. I think it's really pretty. There are some really unique snowflakes designs on there, and yeah, I just really like it. Then the next plate is just a singular plate that I got from Born Pretty store. It's a round one. I really like these as well. They are really versatile, and this one has a lot of design on there. This is the BP 184 for if you wanted to know. And it's more of like a celebration plate for New Year's, but you can also use a couple of those designs on the edges for like Christmas time or anything like that. Or even if you're really into stars and fireworks, you could use it all year round if you want to. I think the stars are really cute, and that's also why I applied those on my last nail I didn't have anything stamped on. So yeah, you can see it transfers perfectly. I did use the Nicole Diary stamping polish, but yeah, I was working with that anyway, so why not use it on a Born Pretty plate? But it does definitely show you that also the tiny Born Pretty store plates are really nice to use. You've heard me rant in a good way about these plates for years now. I can really recommend them. They're really affordable as well. Like this separate, like singular plate was just €1.59 or $1.59, I have to say. Like, can you imagine? It is so inexpensive. Like, even if you're not into nail art or nail polishes yourself, but you do know someone that's really into stamping and nail art, just get them some image plates from Born Pretty store, just for Christmas or even for their birthday or anything like that. I am sure they will love it if they're really into nail art and all that stuff. And as well, I would really recommend getting the Nicole Diary stamping polishes as well. By the way, the ones by Born Pretty store themselves are really nice too. I've been using those for years as well. I'm just a big fan, and I'm always really excited to just try out new plates I don't have yet, or like new brands actually that Born Pretty sells as well. Like Nicole Diary, I already had like 2 plates by that brand, I think. And I'm still really excited and just really like not disappointed at all by the brand. Like, for some people, if you've never heard about a specific brand or store or anything, I know it can be a little bit like scary to actually try some of the items and purchase them, but since these are quite inexpensive, even if you won't like it, I'm sure you know someone that will definitely like it, and it's not a waste of money at all, you know, because these plates are so inexpensive. And even that entire kit by Nicole Diary with the 2 big plates and the 4 stamping polishes, it's like less than $8 at the moment. So you're not wasting a lot of money if you truly don't like it, and you can always make someone else really happy with them. But then I also got 2 packs of really cute gold embellishments. These are all bedazzled like crazy and colored and just really Christmassy. I got 2 little packs. I'm not quite sure what the price was because for some reason I can't find them at bornprettystore.com anymore. But I think they were between $2 to $3 for a pack. And there are about 7 different designs in each pack. So in the end, I just threw them all together in one little Ziploc bag because that was just easier. But yeah, I really like them. I also really like the fact that a couple of them are really curved, which is really nice for my nails because I have a quite strong C-curve in my natural nails. You guys know these are my natural nails. I don't do fake nails. I only apply a false tip if needed, if one of my nails broke and I don't want to shorten all the others. But here you can see it's actually nicely curved and it fits on my nail really nicely as well. You don't have to bend them because if you bend embellishments like these, you will definitely break them, lose gems, all that jazz. But yeah, that were all of the gems I got. I think they're really pretty, really festive. And I would love to know what of these items or which of these items you would love to try out yourself. Of course, you can use my discount code FEM20 for an additional 20% discount. Do use it because your wallet will be really happy with you. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video.